You are going to love the 2017 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, heated front seats, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.